Well, hello everybody. How are you doing? This is Rosa, RCG Creations. How's it going? I'm bringing to you a quick little project on St. Patrick's Day. I had already done another video. Hope you can check that out. And it's on the things, a craft haul that I got to make a lot of these little items. But here is the first one. This is a pop-up box card. And I'm just showing you. I'm here at the office. I was up until 2 this morning making it. Finished making them. But look, this is a wobbler. Look at that. Isn't he too cute? And then here is another one. And if you're interested, let me know and I'll make another video showing you step by step how to make these. It's to make the bottom half, the base card, the box card. It takes a whole maybe 3 minutes. And you can do it with any size paper. It's the same formula. And then they're just on little white clamshell pieces. This is what makes them move around. And here's another one. See how little? Let me show you this compared to this one. See the height difference? See that? And there's that one. And this is a bunch of art that I made on the Cricut. And this is all cardstock. And then these are right here are stickers. And hopefully you can see the shimmer. Let me angle that. You can see the shimmer. I put my Spectrum Noir sparkle pens on them. So they shimmer, and then that is what the backs are going to look like. Of course you can decorate the whole thing, but each one is totally different, so I chose not to do that. Here's another little cutie. Isn't that little mouse so cute? I'm hoping you can see the sparkle there on him, because of course when you print clip art, it doesn't give you the sparkle. You just add the sparkle to it. See that? And then here's another little cutie. Isn't he the cutest little penguin? There's my little rainbow. That's just a sticker. This is a sticker with a die cut off the Cricut. And I used Create a Critter 2 cartridge to cut a lot of these die cuts. This one is clip art right here. Isn't she cute? Bear with me and I apologize. I'm using one hand because I'm on my cell phone. It was just way too late to record last night. And these are all going to be given away to the people here in our office building. Okay. Here's another cutie. That's another clip art right there. I love the old-timey look. With some stickers, die cuts that I created from the Cricut. Isn't that a cute little pot of gold? Isn't it cute? Here's another one that all I did was put decorative copy paper, printed paper. I got from, it was either Michael's or Hobby Lobby, I forget which, all around the box. It's just something different look. Some more die cuts that I created on the Cricut and some more clip art. I made 10 of these and I have 7 more to make that I gotta get done tonight right after work. Oh, and here, there's a little clip art that I made with the Cricut, but I colored with some gel pens, gave her some red lips and some little eyelashes. So she's a little girl, 4-leaf clover. And then here's the last one. Another cutie pie. A little penguin. I wonder, can you see the shimmer? I'm trying to angle so you can see the shimmer. I hope you can, because when I'm looking at my cell phone, I don't see it. And what's nice about these is if you want to, you can fold them flat and put them in an envelope, and you can mail them out, which 2 of these are going to get mailed out tomorrow morning. And just remember, if you have a certain envelope, you will need to make the box card the size of the envelope that you have, and make sure that the little items don't stick out too further up. Because see, look, here's the top of your box. So you want to make sure that your little items don't stick out too far, or you're going to have to get yourself a bigger envelope. Just FYI. And if you want me to do a more detailed step-by-step video on how to do this, I would be more than happy. That video should only take maybe 10, no more than 15 minutes, because to make these, it's extremely simple. You probably can get it done in 5 minutes. And then the rest is just to make the cards itself. But I do all this freehand. I do have some stencils and some die. Excuse me, I actually do have 2 stencils and a die. And I also have a program on my Cricut that makes these box cards itself. And then I have 2 other dies that also do it, which that's great. And it's nice to have those for different design, different thing. But when I'm doing a mass group like this, it's just so much faster for me just to create my own, make my own box card, and then just decorate it. But anyway, that is my take on that. And this is me. Thank you so much for watching. We catch you in the next video. Don't forget to hit like, comment, or share. Take care now. Bye-bye.